Can all gift cards be transferred to PayPal?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to answer a popular question. Can all gift cards be transferred to PayPal? The simple answer is, unfortunately, no. Not all gift cards can be transferred directly to PayPal. But don't worry, we'll break it all down and provide some alternatives.
What are the limitations?
It's important to understand that each gift card has its own terms and conditions. Some may allow transferring the card's balance to services like PayPal, while others strictly prohibit such transactions. PayPal itself doesn't offer a service to directly transfer any gift card balance to your PayPal account.
What about PayPal's digital gifts?
You may have heard of PayPal's digital gifts. These are specific gift cards you can buy through PayPal from selected merchants. While it's true that you can purchase these using your PayPal balance, it doesn't mean that you can transfer any digital gift card balance back into your PayPal account. Once you purchase a digital gift card, the value is locked with a specific retailer.
Are there any workarounds?
While there's no direct way to transfer your gift card balance to PayPal, there are some indirect ways. For example, you can sell your gift card on a gift card exchange site and then add the funds received to your PayPal account. Please note that these methods have risks and the selling price may be less than the actual value of the gift card. Another possible option is to use your gift card to buy goods or services, and then sell those goods or services for cash, which can be added to your PayPal account. Again, be aware that this method can be time-consuming and may not be cost-effective. In conclusion, while it's unfortunate that you cannot directly transfer all gift cards to PayPal, there are some workarounds that might help, albeit with certain risks and potential losses. Always read the terms and conditions of your gift card before making any decisions, and take care to use trustworthy and legitimate platforms if you choose to sell or trade your gift cards. We hope this video has been informative. Stay savvy with your gift cards and happy spending!